And Payden, while this storm is going to be doing a lot of damage in certain parts south of Kentucky, the weather here has been very nice. But could we feel the effects of Beryl later on once it does make landfall?
Yeah, we could. We could get some rain from it, which we need the rainfall across central and northern Kentucky. And a lot of times with these setups, we can get a nice soaker, which is what a lot of our area needs. However, there's still a lot of uncertainty with the exact track. So if it stays a little further to the north, that could mean less rain for us. But same story if it stays a little further to the south. So I'm going to show you that coming up in just a second. But let's talk about some of those weather headlines across the area. It's going to be a beautiful Sunday tomorrow. Now, we will start to heat things back up across the region, but still plenty of sunshine, very summer-like. You shouldn't have any problems out there for your Sunday. Now, the heat and humidity starts to build back in starting tomorrow and in through the week ahead. And then the stormy pattern really starts to settle in for us really middle of the week through next weekend. And yes, we're talking about the chance of seeing some rain from what's left of what is now Tropical Storm Beryl. It is expected to become a hurricane again, though. I'll talk more about that in just a second. Live radar tonight on a clean sweep across the entire state. It's going to stay that way. No rain to track tonight or for your Sunday. But again, that does change. Here's a wider look at things, satellite and radar. You can see the cold front that brought some of the showers and storms just the past couple of days is now working off towards the Atlantic coast. High pressure, the weather good guy, is in control of our weather. It stays that way tomorrow, but we're also going to start to get those winds out of the south, which help build in that heat and humidity once again for us. So let's time things out on the Futurecast. It does a pretty good job. A few clouds this evening in far southeastern Kentucky, but as we roll into the overnight hours, mostly clear for all of us. Tomorrow, a beautiful day, plenty of sunshine. Could have a few clouds, especially in the afternoon, but it'll be a lot like today. Shouldn't be any clouds of the rain-making variety, so that's some good news for the second half of the holiday weekend here. As we roll into Monday, notice clouds start to increase for us. And while Monday looks dry, late Monday and then into Tuesday is really when those rain chances will start to build in. And then that stormy pattern is here with us for the next several days. 75 right now in Lexington. It's 73 in Moorhead, 72 out in Hazard, 75 London, and 70 right now in Danville. Those overnight lows tonight, not going to fall off too much, but it's going to be comfortable. We still have the lower humidity right now, so it's going to feel pretty good. Those temperatures falling into the mid and lower 60s area wide. So again, comfortable when you wake up first thing tomorrow morning, but by tomorrow afternoon, it's another hot one. Temperatures around 90 for afternoon highs. Some areas struggle to get out of the 80s, but most of us will be right around 90 degrees. And again, that humidity will start to climb tomorrow as well. Turning to the tropics, this is Tropical Storm Beryl right now. Again, it's expected to become a Category 1 hurricane once again. Remember, it was a Category 5 hurricane when it was down in portions of the Caribbean, but still working towards the coast of Texas. And as early as tomorrow, they could start to see some of these outer bands working inland, and then a landfall looks likely sometime Monday morning. All right, here's the exact track. Again, tropical storm right now with 60-mile-per-hour sustained winds. It makes landfall as likely a Category 1 hurricane. And then notice that track turns up towards the Ohio Valley. Notice there's still some uncertainty, but we'll likely get some rain from this as we roll into the middle of the week. That's what we're tracking as the next big thing. Stormy pattern really rolls in here, especially Tuesday and into Wednesday. That's when the rain looks the most widespread. 7-day forecast looks like this. Again, beautiful tomorrow. Hot and muggy Monday, and then those storms really start to settle in with rain chances pretty much Tuesday all the way through the rest of the 7-day forecast.